Okay, let's unpack this. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into something you probably don't see much, but it's super important for the air inside your home.
That's right. We're talking about air ducts.
Exactly, your home's air ducts. And why keeping them clean gives you some really big benefits, especially thinking about folks in places like Richmond or, similar areas. We're looking at an article today called Duct Cleaning Services in Richmond, Your Ultimate Guide. It's from Pacific Blue Mechanical's website.
Good source. Yeah.
And our goal here, it's pretty simple. Show you how clean ducts mean a healthier home, maybe a comfier one, and could even save you some money.
Definitely worth talking about.
So let's start basic. What are these ducts exactly, and why do they even get dirty?
Well, think of them like hidden roads, tunnels inside your walls and ceilings that carry the warm or cool air from your furnace or AC all through the house.
Okay, secret roads. I like that.
Yeah. And over time, just everyday living creates dust. You get pet hair, pollen from outside, maybe even tiny mold spores. All that stuff gets pulled into the system. And it settles inside those ducts. And actually in places with colder winters, where the heating's running a lot.
Yeah, like here in Canada.
Exactly. The air can get drier, the system runs more, and it seems like even more of this airborne stuff can get trapped in there.
Okay, so this hidden gunk is building up. What's the big deal? Why should we care?
Well, the first really big benefit is just breathing cleaner air.
Makes sense.
When the ducts are cleaned out properly, you're removing a lot of that trapped dust. The pollen, the pet dander. The source we looked at points this out clearly. It means less stuff floating around to trigger sniffles or sneezing or coughing.
So good news for allergy sufferers or people with asthma.
Huge news for them, yeah. But really, it makes the air healthier for everyone living in the home. Kids, grandparents, everybody. Just easier breathing.
Okay, health is key. But you also mentioned, and this got my attention, something about saving money.
That's right. It's not just about health. It connects directly to your wallet, too.
How does that work?
Think about those ducts again. If they're clogged up with dust and debris.
Like a blocked road?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Your furnace or your air conditioner has to push that air much harder to get it through the blockage. It's working overtime, basically.
Using more energy.
Precisely. So, clean ducts mean air flows easily. Your system doesn't have to strain. That means it uses less energy, and that can actually lower your monthly heating and cooling bills.
Okay, lower bills. I like that.
And there's another part to it. When your heating and cooling systems aren't constantly straining against dirty ducts, they tend to last longer. So you might avoid costly repairs or having to replace your furnace or AC unit quite so soon.
That makes a lot of sense. Health and savings. But how do you even know if your ducts need cleaning? They're hidden, right?
They're mostly hidden, yeah. But there are clues you can look for. Like, do you ever see little puffs of dust shoot out of the air vents when the system kicks on?
Maybe sometimes.
Or maybe you notice some weird smells, like musty or stale odors coming from the vents.
Okay.
And another big one as well. Are you or your family sneezing more or feeling more congested just when you're inside the house?
Right. If it seems worse at home than outside.
Yeah, those are all pretty good signs that your ducts might have a significant buildup and could use a look.
So if you suspect they're dirty, can't you just stick a vacuum hose in the vent, clean it yourself?
You could try that, but honestly, it's a bit like trying to clean out a long winding pipe with just a little brush. You'll only get the very beginning.
Right, you can't reach deep inside.
Exactly. Professional duct cleaners, especially the ones serving areas like Richmond that the article mentions, they have specialized equipment.
Yeah.
We're talking about really powerful truck-mounted vacuums and long rotating brushes designed to snake all the way through the ductwork.
Okay. Much more heavy duty.
Oh, yeah. They can loosen and suck out all that deeply embedded dirt and debris that you just can't reach on your own. Companies with, good local reputations and experience, like the example Richmond Air Duct Cleaning from the source, they usually have the right tools and the know-how to do it thoroughly and safely.
Got it. So professional cleaning seems like the way for a real clean.
For a deep, effective clean, yes.
Okay, so wrapping this up, what's the main takeaway here?
It's pretty straightforward, really. Clean air ducts contribute to healthier indoor air, which is better for breathing, especially for sensitive folks.
Right.
They help your heating and cooling systems run more efficiently, which can save you money on energy bills and potentially help the systems last longer.
Healthier air, comfier home, potential savings. Sounds like a win-win-win.
It really is. It's one of those home maintenance things that might be out of sight, but has pretty significant benefits for your family's well-being and your home's overall health.
Absolutely. So thinking about our listeners, what's maybe one small thing you could do today just to start thinking about this?
Good question. Maybe just take a quick look at one of your air vents, see if there's visible dust built up around it.
Or even just hold your hand up when the air comes on, feel the flow.
Yeah, exactly. Just becoming a little more aware of the air system in your home is a great first step.